Hey guys, welcome back to the 4 Acre Life channel. My name is Ryan, and today we're pouring the basement walls. So I'll let you guys watch that. I'll try to do some interactive stuff if I can. These guys are gonna be pretty busy today, but hey, we did whip up the boys some smokies before the big pour. Everybody chowed down, had a good little powwow. Now let's get to pouring that concrete. She looks like, guys. Pour all, I think it's 6 sections of ICF. It's all braced inside. Should be a fun one. See through there. These are the basement windows. Hell yeah. Bumper trucks here, ready to rock and roll. Just putting the outriggers out. I think we got 5 concrete trucks coming today. There's the man on the sticks right there. All right, guys, so there's the pour. Hope you enjoyed that one. Things are starting to move pretty quick now, so we'll try to stay up on the videos throughout the rest of the build process. We appreciate all the people following along. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Welcome back to the 4 Acre Life channel. My name's Ryan, and today we got some mud getting dropped off. Our boys over at Buchan Landscaping got the old skiddy over here, dumping some loads, making a ramp for Big Sugar Ray to drop off about 30 loads of mud. He's just making a nice little ramp. Looking pretty slick, Rick. Beautiful day here in Winnipeg, Manitoba. These guys over here, a bunch of slackers. No, I'm just kidding. These guys are so dialed. I love it. They're in their frame in the basement mechanical room. Take you up here for a look. Hang on, let me answer this phone call and I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Let's see what these guys are up to in here. Let's go take a look, ski. Show you the floor. Whoa. Look at that. There's the basement floor. What a nice day, dude. Sick. Sick, sick. I'll go in there eventually. Maybe when they're not trying to figure things out. But yeah, that's kind of what's been going on. I'll show you around here. Here's the back. We need a lot of mud. A lot of mud. Because we have a huge deck going on the back here too, right? So, let's figure all that out. You guys want to see my boy Ryan push some fucking dirt? Oh, sorry for the F-bomb. He knows what he's doing, this guy. Put a little time lapse up here. There's Big Daddy Ray there. Yeah, buddy! Oh yeah, look at that nice ramp. Oh yeah, Ray. There we go, baby.
Let's get her done.
Let's get her done, boy.
Looking good.
Yeah, that's right.
I get to get your inspection, eh?
No, Wednesday.
Okay.
Yeah, Wednesday. So we end up getting like 30 loads of fill. So we're just gonna pile it all here and we'll use it later. Just make a nice little ramp for us. My buddy's gonna push it in, make it look pretty. But we'll end up taking all this out and dragging it uphill. But the fill was free, so might as well take it in. It's nice. It's basement tailings or whatever you call it. But she looks mint. Can't say enough good things about these boys right here. Just dialed. Got a bin for garbage. Another thing you got to consider when doing a project like this. You need a bin and a porta potty. But anyways, maybe I'll when I get home from running around, we'll take another shot inside the house and see where that's at. But for now, enjoy your day.